Have you ever wondered how the wealthy continue to amass their fortunes? It's no secret that one of the key strategies used by the rich to make money is through debt. Stay tuned as I reveal the top 9 ways rich people leverage debt to build and grow their wealth. Welcome to today's video where we delve into the world of high finance and uncover the secrets of how the wealthy use debt as a powerful tool for financial success. I'm here to guide you through the 9 proven strategies that rich people use to make money with debt. Way 1. Real estate investments. Rich individuals often leverage debt to acquire real estate properties, generating passive income through rental payments and property appreciation. Way 2. Leveraging. By strategically utilizing debt to amplify returns on investments, affluent individuals can maximize their profits and accelerate wealth accumulation. Way 3. Stock market investments. Wealthy investors use margin trading to buy more stocks than they could with their own capital, capitalizing on market opportunities and increasing their portfolio value. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Business expansion. Successful entrepreneurs leverage debt to fuel the growth and expansion of their businesses, increasing revenue and market share in competitive industries. Way 5. Vacation rentals. By financing vacation rental properties, wealthy individuals create lucrative income streams from short-term rentals and capitalize on the booming tourism industry. Way 6. Luxury assets. High net worth individuals use debt to acquire luxury assets such as cars, yachts, and artwork, leveraging their value appreciation over time. Way 7. Startup investments. Wealthy investors provide funding to promising startups in exchange for equity, utilizing debt as a vehicle for high-risk, high-reward investments. Way 8. Agricultural investments. Rich individuals invest in agricultural land and commodities, leveraging debt to capitalize on the growing demand for sustainable food production. Way 9. Commercial real estate. By financing commercial properties such as office buildings and shopping centers, wealthy investors generate stable cash flow and long-term wealth growth. There you have it, the top 9 ways rich people make money with debt. By understanding and applying these strategies, you too can harness the power of debt to build lasting wealth and financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on financial success. Until next time, stay tuned for more insightful content on wealth building and financial empowerment. Together, let's unlock the secrets to financial prosperity. See you in the next video.